In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to add a polar distribution widget to the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So first, the user needs to go into this Add Widgets tool and scroll down to Polar Distribution. And if we select this, it opens our editor. We have our preview section, and then we have our settings section where we can choose between 4 different options for parameters: waves, winds, currents, or custom. So if we have waves selected and we click on this drop-down menu, you can see we have all of our waves layers and observation stations that have wave height and direction parameters. So for this example, let's use Atlantic wave height. So we can customize the distribution bin count or the distribution range. The time range we can also customize. So let's set this to, let's say, 120 hours in the past until 72 hours in the past. Or we can set the specific date and times with this tab here. For the location, we can select the location that we'd like to see, or we can manually input lat and long here. And then the user has the option to input a title here. So if we add this widget, you can see that data will load in. We have the option to delete the widget, to edit the widget, or to resize the widget. Right now, the dashboard is unlocked for editing, so that's why we have these options. If we go ahead and lock the dashboard, you can see these go away, so you can scroll and zoom on the dashboard without messing with the widgets. And now that the data is loaded in, you can see we have our compass rose, and the user can hover over specific sections of the compass rose to view the specific data there. So if we make this widget bigger, we can see that better. And the user can customize the color of each of these sections here and download the data up here.